Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Housecall Pro, Jobber, and Servicetitan. Choosing the best home service software depends on the size and needs of your business. Housecall Pro is a great software for home service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, cleaning, and electrical works. It makes it easy to send invoices, process payments, and even let customers book services online. Some users find it a bit pricey, and occasional glitches can slow things down. Jobber is a simple and easy-to-use software designed for small home service businesses like cleaning, landscaping, plumbing, and HVAC. It helps you schedule jobs, send invoices, collect payments, and keep track of customers all in one place. However, it lacks advanced features for large businesses or contractors needing deep project management. Servicetitan is a powerful software designed for large home service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, and electrical companies. The software also integrates with QuickBooks and provides marketing tools to help generate more leads. However, it's quite expensive and has a steeper learning curve, making it better suited for bigger businesses rather than small startups. In my opinion, Jobber is best for small businesses, Housecall Pro is ideal for growing companies, and Servicetitan is for large enterprises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.